Honestly, this site is kinda interesting at first glance. They're selling what looks like a super lifelike robotic puppy that's supposed to be a companion for kids. The pitch is that it walks, barks, sits, even smiles, and the company keeps emphasizing how it's meant to feel like a real pet replacement. They claim it has AI that learns from interactions over time, and it supposedly responds to touch like an actual puppy. They're also really leaning into the whole handcrafted details thing and how soft and realistic the materials are. Plus, they say it's allergy-friendly, which is nice if true. And it's advertised as ready to go right out of the box, so no setup or anything. But here's the thing, they throw around German engineered a lot, yet there's zero solid technical info. No specs, no verifiable details, nothing that actually proves the tech they're talking about exists at the level they claim. The site really sells the emotional connection idea, like this puppy will actually bond with you, play, show affection, react dynamically, all that high-tech feel-good stuff, but there's not much evidence behind it. Overall, it sounds cool, but without real proof or videos showing the AI behavior, it definitely gives off a big promises, not much backing them up yet vibe.